Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health. Welcome to online class of English A. Today we are going to do exercise 3. It's part 4. It is related to definite article the. Let's revise what are articles and let's revise their types. We know that there are two types of articles, definite article and indefinite articles. Definite article is the and indefinite articles are a and an. Let's learn about definite article, which is the. Read the given sentences and notice the use of definite article the. When we talk about something already known or which have been previously mentioned, then we use the. I have a parrot. The parrot is green. Here we have used the because we have already talked about parrot. Do you know where I left the keys? So here the has been used before the keys because the keys is something specific or the someone already know about them. The second rule is we define or identify a particular person or object. For example, can you see the boy in the red shirt? The second example is the man who wrote this book is famous. The third rule is refer to people or objects that are unique. For example, clouds drifted across the sky. The sun sets at 7 o'clock in the evening. We use the before specific objects or things. Before superlatives of adjectives and ordinal numbers. For example, this is the highest building in Lahore. We are using the before superlative degree. This is the third time I have called you today. Before ordinal number, the will be used. The next rule is with nouns to refer to a whole group of people. For example, the giraffe is the tallest animal. Here the has been used before giraffe because it shows the whole group, and it has been used before tallest because this is the superlative degree. She has given a lot of money to the poor. Here the has been used to show the whole group of people. The next rule is with the names of rivers, mountain ranges, groups of islands, canals and oceans. For example, their ship crossed the Atlantic in 3 days. They caught fish from the Ravi. Hiking across the Himalayas would be difficult. So we have used the before the names of oceans, rivers and mountain ranges. With the names of famous buildings, museums or monuments. For example, we went to the Lahore Museum. Sarah visited the Faisal Mosque. Now let's move towards the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct articles a, an or the. Asia is dash largest continent in the world. An or the. Here we will use the before the superlative degree. The. My cousin is dash doctor. The or a. Here we will use a. We can't use the because a doctor is not something specific. The next is there is dash orange on the table. A or an. Here we will use an because orange is starting from vowel sound. The next is bring me dash bottle of water. A or an. Here we will use a because bottle is starting from consonant sound. Sadia is dash honest girl. A or an. Here we will use an because honest is starting from vowel sound. It is starting from consonant letter but H is silent, so we will use an. He quickly ate dash cake. The or an. Here we will use the because the specific cake which he was having, that's why we have used the. And is not appropriate because it is starting from consonant letter as well as consonant sound. Come towards the next exercise. Rewrite each sentence using the correct articles in your notebook. Indus is longest river in Pakistan. Here we will use the before Indus because we use definite article before the names of rivers. So we will use the before Indus, and secondly we will use the before longest because this is the superlative degree. So our answer will be the Indus is the longest river in Pakistan. Next sentence is egg has oval shape. We will use an before egg because egg is starting from vowel sound as well as letter. An egg has oval shape. The next is he lives in house next to ours. Here we will use definite article before house because this is something specific. He lives in the house next to ours. His father likes to read daily news. We will use definite article before the name of this newspaper. His father likes to read the daily news. The last one is you can go anywhere in world. Here we will use the before world because world is something specific. You can go anywhere in the world. Now next exercise is related to indefinite articles which are a and an. A and an with mute consonant letters. First of all, let's learn what are mute letters. Some words have initial consonants which are not pronounced. For example, H in honest, W in rap, K in knock. These letters are not pronounced, they are silent. We put the article a or an with those words by focusing on the sound of the second letter. Let's move towards the exercise. Read the given sentences and notice the use of a and an with mute consonant letters. Sarah had returned after an hour. Here, hour is starting with consonant letter, but this letter is silent and mute, so it is giving vowel sound. So we will use an before hour. Yusuf is an honorable citizen. Here again H is mute and silent, so this word is starting with vowel sound. So we will write an honorable citizen. The next sentence is his father is an honest businessman. Again H is silent and mute here, so we have used an honest businessman. The next is he gave him a wrapped gift box. Here W is silent. It is not being pronounced. So we have used a because the next sound is wrapped. R sound is consonant, so we have used a. My mother bought a wristwatch. Here again this word is starting from consonant sound. W is silent. Bring a knife from the kitchen. Here K is silent, so we will focus the very first sound of the word knife. N sound is consonant, so that's why we are using a before knife. The last one is the teacher has shown the diagram of a knee. Here again K is silent, but the very first sound is consonant, that's why we have used a before knee. I hope you have understood today's exercises. Now solve them and learn them. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.